It's all started Mr. Rob Love and his mother. They had a house, a barn, a garage, and a rental home. Here it all got washed away all the way to right at the back of this brick home here. We started there, we hauled about 300 loads of the old rocky stuff from the other side of the house, and everything just fell together with the sand from the industrial park and people volunteering stuff. And it's just amazing to be able to accomplish this. And the Lord just keeps coming around and helping him, and I'm helping him all I can, and others is helping him. And hey, we about got his farm back. The bank's pretty much where it was going to be at right now, because we kind of followed the key rocks that was at the bottom of the original dike. Of course, they removed some, and we pretty much put nothing but rock in that edge all the way down through there. NRCS is armoring it, and you know it should hold to be just as strong as it was before, maybe a little stronger. I would say tomorrow it'll be completed, and you know, other than really taking earth rake to it and planting it in grass, you know, that's the next steps, and that's Mr. Love's call when he wants to do that. But we'll be all up on it whenever he's ready. The other side, we pretty much got all the cobble. One more day of hauling with cobble, and cobblestone is just sand and regular river rock boulders. Should have it moved out of the way and be ready to start coating that side of the property back with this stuff to make it back into pasture. Hope goes get it back to green, nice pastures again.